Okay, so let's start with our today's topic, that is the human genetic disorders. Mainly we'll be discussing the topics from an MCQ point of view. Okay, so for some important terms. So first is non-disjunction. It is the failure of homologous chromosomes or sister chromatids to separate properly during cell division. So the definition is very simple. The main thing which you need to remember is the term itself, because the three diseases, the syndromes, that is Downs, Turner's and Klinefelter's, all these three are associated with this non-disjunction. So whenever they ask you in an MCQ that what is the specific chromosomal abnormality which is associated with any of these three disorders, then you go for this answer that it is non-disjunction. Okay, so this term itself is very important. Okay, so next, the Barr body. It is also called sex chromatin, which is a characteristic feature of females. In females, out of the two X chromosomes, one becomes heterochromatic and coiled and appears as dark basophilic body in the nucleus of somatic cells. Okay, so for Barr body, the most important thing which you need to know is that Barr body is always present and always positive in normal females. Okay, in males, in normal males, it is never present. So next we will see how to calculate the Barr body. So calculation of Barr body, you just see that what is the total number of X chromosomes, and from that you just deduct 1. So total number of X chromosomes minus 1, that will give you the total number of Barr bodies which are present. So you see that for normal females it is 1 and for normal males it is 0. Okay, so this will be required later. Now coming to Klinefelter syndrome. So it is a sex chromosomal abnormality caused due to non-disjunction, having 47 chromosomes, XXY type, male and trisomic condition. So here let me tell you that the only thing which you need to remember, that is the XXY. Okay, and see XXY, that means you see that Y is present, so that means the person is obviously a male since Y chromosome is there. Then Barr body, you can calculate that there are 2 X chromosomes, so 2 minus 1, that means it is a Barr body positive male. Okay, then obviously it is a trisomic condition because it is XXY, it is not XY or XX. Okay, and the number of chromosomes, that is also definitely 47 and it is not 46 because one sex chromosome is more which should not have been present, that is present. So Klinefelter, you just remember XXY, that will do. All the rest of the other problems, whether it is trisomic or male or 47 chromosomes, all will be clear to you. Okay, so next we will see clinical features. So regarding the clinical features, you just imagine that what happens that if a male person develops female like features, so then what will happen is that hypogonadism, that is the primary thing, that there will be testicular atrophy, that means decrease in size of the testes. So naturally there will be decrease in the rate of spermatogenesis, decrease in the testosterone levels. So eventually it leads to sterility. There is enlargement of breast in the male, that leads to gynecomastia. There is poorly developed secondary sexual characteristics, that is what leads to loss of body musculature and loss of body and facial hair. So you see that there is no abundance of facial hair or body hair in this particular picture also, and length of the legs and arms are usually longer than normal. Mental retardation, I have marked it over here because it is not that all the patients suffer from this. Specifically, there are some of the cases of Klinefelters where mental retardation is observed, so that is why I have marked that, not in all the cases. And there is increased incidence with, that means more the age of the mother, more will be a chance that a baby will be born with this particular syndrome. Okay, now coming over to Turner. It is also due to non-disjunction, 45 exotype, female monosomic. So here also you remember that it is XO, just this chromosome complement, you remember this. And remember over here that O means, actually they write it, represent it as O. O basically means it is 0 or null, that means nothing is there. One chromosome is X, the other chromosome is not there, that is why they represent it as O, which is equivalent to null or nothing or 0. Okay, so naturally you can understand one chromosome is less, so it is 45 is the chromosome number. You can understand no Y chromosomes are there, so definitely it is a female. And monosomy, and bar body is negative because 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0 naturally, and then 2 X chromosomes are not there, only 1 X chromosome is there. So Turner syndrome XO, Klinefelter syndrome XXY. This much I need to remember. Now clinical features of Turner's. So Turner is basically what? Female who is having male like features. Okay, so absence of ovaries. Absence of ovary, that means if the ovaries are absent, naturally there will be amenorrhea or loss of menstruation. So menstrual cycle will not be there. Due to that, there will be resultant infertility in the female. There will be white chest wall with broadly spaced nipples. It is also known as, the condition is called shield chest, and there will be poorly developed breasts with pinpoint nipple. Okay, and webbed neck. So you just remember this particular picture and everything is given over here. You can easily make it out. And there is loss of pubic hair, that means the female like features are all lost in this case. And coarctation of aorta, I am not going into details of coarctation. You just remember that it is a congenital anomaly or a congenital heart condition which occurs in this particular case. So these are the various clinical features. Now Down syndrome. So for Down syndrome, it is not a sex chromosomal abnormality, it is due to numerical abnormality of the autosomes. So what you need to remember is, it is trisomy 21 of the autosomes. Okay, that 21 the 21st chromosome is involved over here. It is a trisomic condition and it is due to the autosomes. Why it is called Mongolism, we will see. Okay, so from the picture only you can understand that why the condition is known as Mongolism, because the face, it is known as Mongoloid facies. That means the face looks like that of a Mongoloid person. Okay, that is why it is also known as Mongoloid facies, or the disease itself is known as Mongolism. And there is severe mental retardation. So since there is severe mental retardation almost always associated with Down syndrome, that is the reason why it is also known as Mongolian idiocy. Due to this severe mental retardation, and the patients are always short statured, having a small skull, and they have a defective heart. And since the heart is defective, so it always leads to an increased risk of infections. And also there are short and broad hands with single transverse crease, and that is also known as a simian crease. So these are the clinical features, and this is how a patient of Down syndrome looks. That is a newborn baby. Next is a children of 2 to 3 years old, and the last picture is that of an actor who had Down syndrome. Okay, now some MCQs. So choose the correct option relating to Down syndrome. So you see over here that every single point is important, as I was telling you, that there is one option where they have given monosomy, one option where they have given linkage, one option where they have given sex chromosome. So trisomy 21 of the autosomes, and non-disjunction that I told you in the first slide itself. So undoubtedly you search where there is trisomy 21 and you search where there is non-disjunction. So that is present in which option? Option number C. So my correct option over here is option number C itself. Okay, so this is done. Then which of the following are not features of Klinefelter syndrome? XXY type with bar body positive male, mentally retarded, hypogonadism, XXY type with bar body negative male. So not features, that means which is not a feature. So correct option here is bar body negative male, because Klinefelter, since it is XXY, so naturally it is bar body positive. Okay, that students many a time they get confused over here that whether to take mentally retarded also, but that is not the correct option, because some patients of Klinefelters, they often suffer from mental retardation. So it is a feature of Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, so it is done. Okay, next we are moving to some other commonly asked disorders. So here we have got Edward and Patau. One is trisomy 18, one is trisomy 13. Now how to remember that? So I just have a mnemonic, that is Edward the third has 18 apples and he gave 13 to Patau the third and 5 to Kraidu Chat. So So you see each and every point is again important over here, that Edward the third, that means it is a trisomic condition. That is why I have written Edward the third has 18 apples. That means trisomic condition having 18 chromosomes, and he gave 13 to Patau the third. That means Patau, that is also a trisomic condition, and Patau gets 13 chromosomes out of that 18. And what happens to the rest 5? The rest 5 is given to Cry-Du-Chat. So Cry-Du-Chat is another syndrome which is caused by deletion in the short arm of chromosome number 5. Okay, so in this one mnemonic you find all the chromosome numbers of all these 3 diseases. So Cry-Du-Chat, it is also known as cat cry because clinically the patient presents with a cat-like cry, so it is also called by this name. Okay, and next coming to alkaptonuria. So for alkaptonuria, the points you need to remember is it is a autosomal recessive condition and there is lack of the enzyme, that is homogenesic acid oxidase. So and the urine on standing, due to the presence of alkaptons, it becomes black. So you just remember this much regarding alkaptonuria. Next coming to albinism. The albinism also, the enzyme is very important, that is tyrosinase enzyme. Commonly they ask that it is due to the absence of which enzyme that this albinism is caused. So it is tyrosinase enzyme which catalyzes dihydroxyphenylalanine to melanin. So this is what you need to remember. Now the MCQs, that is Cry-Du-Chat syndrome is caused by, so you see that trisomy of 21st chromosome, fertilization of an XXX by a normal Y bearing sperm, loss of half of short arm of chromosome 5, loss of half of long arm of chromosome 5. So here don't get confused between short and long. I have already shown you in the previous slide that it is due to deletion in the short arm of chromosome 5. So undoubtedly my answer is option number C, that is loss of means deletion of the short arm of chromosome number 5, and this was also asked in a previous year AIPMT. Okay, now Edward syndrome. You just go over to the mnemonic. Edward the third, trisomic condition, 18 apples, that means trisomy 18. So you just simply look for trisomy 18 where it is given in the option. So trisomy in the first option itself they have given that it is a trisomy of chromosome number 18. So you tick option number A. Okay, so that's it, and hope you like the video, and if you have any doubts then you can let us know in the comment section, and also suggestions are welcome. If you guys would like for us to make videos on any other topics, then you can let us know in the comment section. Thank you.